In this video we're going to look at the lab Large App Basic XSS. So we'll start by launching the lab, and we can see that there's a number of pages here. We've got 1 up to 50, and we've been told that one of these has got a vulnerability. So let's go on page 1. Let's try basic payload. Now it looks like it's been sanitized, and if we look at the source we can confirm that it has been sanitized. Okay, so really what we want to do is go through all these pages. So let's just have a look at page 2. We can see it's got a 2 now in the URL and a 2 in the target. Well, I could go through these manually, but that seems like hard work. So what we can use instead is XSSy. So if we look in our history, we can see here this is the request with our payload. We've got the response that's sanitized. So let's try fuzzing this. So attack, fuzz, and we'll select the value we want to fuzz and add a location. And we need to add some payloads, so we'll add numbers going from 1 to 50. Okay, so let's start the fuzzer. So that's happened very quickly. So for instance, if we look at this, we can see we've submitted the payload to target 50, and the response is sanitized. Now, these responses are mostly 419 bytes, but let's try sorting these by size. We can see one request stands out. So payload 37, we can see the response here is not sanitized. Okay, so let's go back to the browser, go down to page 37, and we'll just retry that payload. Okay, it's not sanitized. Confirm that in the source. Okay, so let's try a JavaScript payload. And that has worked. And let's try the URL in the headless browser. And there we go. We've successfully solved the lab. So in this case, XSSy has been really helpful because it's allowed us to very quickly look at a large site and identify the one page that's got a cross-site scripting flaw.